Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you what's inside the box of the ELGATO Facecam Pro. So first, let's put this package aside. Inside of the package was this little box. It doesn't look any special, but let's open it up. The first thing that we see here is the Facecam Pro Quick Start Guide. And the next thing that we see is important safety instructions. Now here we have a USB-C to USB-C cable to power our camera, as you guys can see. And here we have a little stand for it. Let me show you guys. You can easily use it. Here you can mount your camera. And that's pretty cool. Now what we've all been waiting for is a big 4K 60 FPS camera. It's a true 4K, so the quality is perfect, and it also has variable focus, so it makes it look even better, and it will make you look better. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next videos.